Hi, it's Mike.
If you're working with countries in Microsoft Excel, there is a useful data type where you can analyse a country's data. So first select the countries, then go to the data tab and then select geography. And what this does, it adds a flag next to each country, and you can click on the flag and insert all sorts of information about that country. You can also do it from this drop down here. Just useful if you need to find information quite easily.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.